Smooth and rich hot macadamia dip with a creamy combination of cream cheese and sour cream, blended with a trio of garlic, green onions, and a bit of heat from the horseradish. Learn how to make it with this quick and easy guide, brought to you by recipes.net. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a food processor, add the cream cheese, unsalted butter, sour cream, garlic, horseradish, and macadamia nuts. Blend them well, then place it in a baking casserole. Bake for 15 minutes, garnish with chopped parsley, and serve. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.